So it rained a lot last night, but check out how many black swallowtail caterpillars are on this parsley plant. Parsley plant's all beat down from the rain. There's a little guy right there. Another one there. Two more down there. Another one there. There's more. Another one down there. And there. They're all over the place. And over here there's some more on this branch. I don't know, there's probably 20 of them on here. And some I didn't pick up. Anyway, this is a big parsley plant. They're actually a group of parsley plants. And they're about, I don't know, probably about 4 feet tall when they went. We got a lot of rain yesterday and it beat them down a little bit. But anyway, that's good. I love the swallowtails, and that's why I grow the parsley, so that they have a place to live.
Look at these caterpillars standing up like that. It's weird, I've never seen that before.
There's a lot of these caterpillars here. Look at them all. How these plants are loaded with those black swallowtail butterfly caterpillars. They also like dill, which here's a dill plant over here. You can see, and I don't know, this dill had some on it, but I think they already got mature and did their thing, turning into butterflies. Purple coneflowers over here are looking really nice too. We've got a couple plants mixed in here, and these were planted last year too, and they're putting on their show. So that's nice. I like the perennials. I haven't really done a lot of perennials in the past, but it's kind of neat because you don't have to mess with them in the spring planting anything. They just come up and bloom. So these are there's two BHN 589 tomatoes here. They got big. Having a little bit of bug problems. As a matter of fact, I can see a leaf-footed bug on the leaf of one of these right now, but these are almost done. I'm gonna let them produce the tomatoes they have, and then I'm gonna pick them, because I'm gonna plant some pumpkins in here, and I need to plant them pretty soon. So the peppers over here did pretty good. I haven't done many videos in the Sago garden, but I might as well while I'm here. These are the pepperoncini peppers. And you can see this plant's pretty prolific. I've already picked it clean twice, and it's loaded again. So I've got a couple of quarts of pickled pepperoncinis in the refrigerator. And I didn't can them, I just made refrigerator pickles with them, which is a lot easier if you've got room in your refrigerator for it. And then behind that plant, there's a banana pepper, and it's getting a lot of banana peppers on it too. And these are supposedly are sweet banana peppers, and there's nothing sweet about them. I tried eating one, it was really spicy. So I'll do some canned banana peppers too. I'm trying to mimic that manzetta, the canned ones that come in a jar that you can buy in the grocery store. I love those. I'll try to make something like that with them. And over here we have a couple of cantaloupe plants too, but they got beat up really hard by the hail, and I haven't seen a cantaloupe on them yet. So whether or not they'll make any cantaloupes depends on whether they show something before I put my pumpkins in here, because once I do that, they're finished. These 589s are trying to produce more tomatoes, so I'm going to put off planting the pumpkins as long as I can, but they got to get in there pretty soon or they won't be harvested before pumpkin time. Yeah, I don't think these cantaloupes are going to produce anything. And if they do, it's not going to be very much. They've been shaded a little bit by the tomatoes and pepper plants, so. That's the Sago garden. We got some nice sunflowers out here, and we lost a few sage plants, and you know, it's kind of a mess out here because I've been cleaning up storm damage. We got some nice sunflowers over here too. I'm not sure, this is either teddy bear or there's one that's supposed to be like teddy bear, but it's a taller variety. And to be honest with you, I planted so many sunflowers that I'm not sure what variety they are. This is a nice sunflower plant. This is one of those tall teddy bears. And again, I forget what they call them, but anyway, I'll look it up. Anyways, look at how many flowers it's got on it. It's got flowers all over it. And that's just one plant. And then the one on the head there, that's about 4 inches in diameter. Finally got some sunflowers to go. I tried and tried. And finally when I gave up, they started growing. And I got a purple coneflower. This has been in there since last year. And it's finally, it blossomed one blossom last year, but now it's putting multiple blossoms on it. And this is supposed to attract a lot of pollinators, so that's a perennial. It'll come back every year. Perennial. It'll come back every year. And so we got one big sunflower over here too. Not sure what kind that is. I planted a lot of different sunflowers and failed many times. This is the best year I ever remember for morning glories. These are just wild morning glories that naturally occur here. They're kind of a garden nuisance if they're in your beds, but these are just on my fence line, so I don't care. They bloom in the morning, obviously. That's why they call them morning glories. Anyway, they're all along this fence line, and they're kind of intertangled with this cucumber plant here, but I just rudely chopped their branches off the other day so that I could find my cucumbers. Yeah, look at all the blossoms. It's a pretty nice little group of flowers. And you know, I've lived here for almost 30 years and I've never seen them this prolific. So we've gotten a fair amount of rain this spring, and that's why. So cucumbers over here finishing up. Still making a few cucumbers of not questionable quality, but not as good as they were because of the heat. There's my neighbor's 2 dogs. They used to bark at me a lot, but they're used to me now. So yeah, I'm not going to go through everything. I came out here and I was going to spray some spinosad, but I decided not to because I don't want to kill bees, and there's a lot of flowers out here right now. So I'll just do it tonight instead. So hope you liked the video. If you did, like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who likes gardening or is in Central Texas, or just somebody you want to annoy. And I'll catch you next time.